Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preventing interference. Back up any 360 settings and create a system restore point. Next, open 360 Total Security's tray icon and turn off real-time protection and all shields. This prevents file locks. Once done, open Task Manager and end any 360 related processes. Select them and click End Task. Make sure no update or installer runs in the background. If a process responds, repeat Disable in the app before moving to uninstallation. Now remove the program through Windows. Go to Settings Apps or Control Panel Programs and Features. Locate 360 Total Security, click Uninstall, and follow the on-screen uninstaller prompts. Grant administrator permission when requested. If the uninstaller fails, reboot into safe mode and repeat the uninstall there so services don't block removal. Once the uninstall completes, run a quick disk cleanup and reboot normally. You'll avoid corrupted files by uninstalling while protections are turned off and no 360 processes are active. Finish by removing remnants. Open File Explorer and delete leftover 360 folders and program files and app data. Make sure hidden items are visible. Next, carefully remove leftover registry keys under HKLM and HKCU if comfortable, or run a reputable registry cleaner. Export keys first as a backup. Once cleaned, reboot and confirm 360 is absent in Programs and System Tray. Troubleshooting tip. If Windows blocks deletions, boot to safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.